I just received an air pump. Usually when I'm riding off-road or at some events, I might consider putting down a little bit the tire pressure, or in the cold days, in the cold mornings, sometimes you need to check the tire pressure. And usually when I'm riding, when I'm traveling, I always carry with me one of these air pumps. This is a car air pump. The model is CZK3690. I just received the package yesterday. We're gonna make a short unboxing, check some of the features of this device. Usually in the past I was using, or before I received this, I was using a Xiaomi air pump, an electric air pump for my motorcycle, but also for my car. But this air pump has some additional features which I find interesting to have. Usually when you travel, you need to be as light as possible. And let's check out this device, because it will save some of other devices, some of other products. You can leave them at home and use this device for multiple purposes. All right, this is the package. Let's check it out. This is the actual pump. It's pretty light, even though it has quite a big dimensions. When I compare it with my Xiaomi, this is pretty light. I mean, it came already charged with the 100%. We have a full battery. Now it says on. All right, we have also, I said that this device has also some other purposes. You can charge your battery. It's working like an external battery. This has a 12 volt, it's a 12 volt charging pump, air pump. And you can charge your phone, you can charge your GoPro, your devices. It has a USB-C socket and an USB usual socket. It also has a light. You can press the light. Here it is, and it has this is a signal. Check it out. It has 3 ways. This is the signal. It blinks, it stopped, and this is the headlight. It's a LED, pretty strong if you ask me, but more than enough if you want to use it, for example, in a tent. Let's check out the other accessories. Here we have the instructions. The power, it's 100 watts. As accessories, we have a ball needle, air nozzle and carry bag, tire pressure display, operation buttons, DC port, LED light, air house port, Type-C charging port and USB output. So this is the charging socket for the car. You can charge it in your car. This is pretty useful. We have the bag, the carrying bag. We have the USB-C charging cable. We have this other accessories if you want to inflate a ball, maybe a inflated device. We have a fuse included here, and this is the main cable. This is the main cable which we're gonna use on the bike. What you need to consider It works quite okay. You can inflate the tire pretty fast. It has a very strong hose. You can, it has this attachment here, very easy. You can attach it pretty easy. I'm speaking now about the positives. After that comes the things to improve. So I've inflated pretty fast the tire. You can put your pressure here. The pressure is in bar, in PSI. You can choose either you're charging a car or a motorcycle. It has also some presets. It has the LITE, it has a USB charging, USB-C charging, and it charges, it inflates the tire pretty fast. You can also rotate here. Let's give it another shot. You can choose from multiple pressure units. We have PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter, but I prefer bar. Let's put 2.5 for the rear. All right, 2.5. Let's check it out. First time I've used it on my bike, I lost some air pressure while installing the hose and while taking out the hose. Now I will try a different technique. Maybe I need to push a little bit to keep the air inside. Let me check. We have now 2.25. The question is, when we take out the hose, how much air pressure we're gonna lose. It's depending a lot on your technique, so you can take it out pretty fast and you reduce the air loss. This device is pretty fast in terms of inflating. The things which I don't like about this and the things which I think they need to improve it. We've lost 0.1 bar. It's not much. For example, if you want to put, I will recommend, if you want to put, let's say 2.5, just to be safe, put 2.6, and then for sure you're gonna have a 2.5 no matter how slow you are. I've just received the EAFC jump starter. When you're riding on your trips, sometimes, especially if it's a long trip, you might wanna save your back. You might wanna have one of these with you. This is a jump starter from EAFC. I've just received it a couple of days ago, and I have the perfect opportunity to test it and to show you how does it work. We have a scooter with a fully drained battery. We're gonna give it a shot with this device and we will show you how it will start. Hopefully we will be able to start the scooter. As you can see, nothing. Now we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna connect the jump starter. Now we connect the device. When you install it, make sure you first put the plus and then the negative. As you saw, the scooter, it's completely drained out. Then we press the on, it's charged, and check it out. The motorcycle has started, as you can see, but it has a system
a
foolproof system that it's cutting the engine power.
Nu, că nu le atelier folosim aici. Uite, vezi cum face. Uite.
Ăsta e, da. Gata. So the engine has started, the scooter has started, it was fully drained, and this device did its job. You have also a possibility to, it works as an external battery. You can charge your phone, you can charge your devices, and I think it's pretty useful. It has also a light by a press of the button, by pressing continuously on the on-off button. You have also a blinking light or a continuous light. You have also an SOS light. Check it out. So this third one, it gives you an SOS signal. I think it's pretty useful. And the device came with the battery 100% charged, which I think is pretty nice. Take it out of the box, charge it, and this is it. It's this is how big the device is. It's not so big. We have a protection film here. I'm pretty glad I showed you another product, a good product, a useful product that hopefully it will be useful for some of you.